Today we're going to play the game Factor Find, where you're identifying factors. And the purpose, in this game, students practice finding factors of numbers less than 100. To do so, they may use their knowledge of multiplication and division or basic understanding of rules for divisibility. You guys all know about that. So today, I and Topher will be playing. We have our game board, and I put my name up at the top and Topher is down here. Now you start with factor cards and target cards. So I get to go first. So I'm going to choose one target card. I got 35. So I'm going to write 35. That's a 5. 35 is my target number. Now I'm going to choose 5 factor cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. Okay, I have 5, 12, 11, 10, and 9. Now remember, my target number is 35. So, are any of these numbers factors of 35? Well, 35 ends in a 5, and I know for my rules of divisibility that any number that has a 5 in the ones place is divisible by 5. So that makes 5 a factor of 35 because 5 times 7 is 35. I don't have a 7, so I can't write that in. 9, 10, 11, and 12 are not factors of 35. So in this case, I only had one number, so my score is 1. So far, I have a total of 1. Topher, it's your turn. Okay, I'll just draw for him. Oh, by the way, we put our factor cards off to the side as well as our target card. So, Topher, you got a 21. So, let me write it for you, buddy. So, your target is 21. Now, let's draw your factor cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Topher, you got 2 8s, a 7, a 6, and a 4. Now let's look back at our target number. What do I know about the factors of 21? Well, 21 has a 1 in the ones place, so that makes it an odd number. So, Oh, 1 times 21, but I don't have that. 2 times something, it can't work because it's an odd number. But 3 times 7 is 21. So in this case, Topher, you have 1 factor. Your score is 1. Now, next round, I would choose a new target number. I draw my factor cards, and then put which factors work. Then I add the next number to my total. So say I get 2 next round, then I would add the 2 to the 1, and then I'd get 3. And then you keep going and see who has the most at the end.